first best feature film, Kalki 2898, that is 2898 AD. Second best feature film, Potel. Third best feature film, Lucky Bhaskar. Feature film on national integration, communal harmony and social uplift. Film, Committee Kurallu. Best children's film, 35, Chinna Kadakadu. Feature film on environment, heritage, history goes to Razakar. Best debut film director, Sri Yadu Vamshi for Yedu Vamshi for Committee Kurallu. Best wholesome entertainment film, Dr. M. Prabhakar Reddy, Uttama Prajadarana Chitram, Mem Friends Andi. Mem Friends Andi. Best director, Shri Naga Ashwin Singireddy for Kalki. Best leading actor, Shri Allu Arjun Pushpa 2. Best leading actress, Niveda Thomas for 35 Chinna Kadakadu.